In this next set of exercises, we'll be simplifying algebraic expressions. Find 3 consecutive odd integers such that the sum of 4 times the first, 3 times the second, and 2 times the third is 167. Step 1 in the 5-step process is to familiarize yourself with the problem. So I've written on the board the information that we have, which is that the sum of 4 times the first number and 3 times the second number and 2 times the third number is 167. We'll begin the process by letting x equal the first number. Now, if x is equal to the first number, since these are consecutive odd integers, x plus 2 would be the second number, and x plus 4 would be the third number. So now the second step in the process is to translate this English or these words into a mathematical statement. So the sum means, of course, add. We want 4 times the first number, 4x. 3 times the second number, so plus 3 times the second number, x plus 2, and then plus 2 times the third number, x plus 4, and that totals, so equal sign 167. So we need to simplify the left-hand side by distributing the 3 into this parentheses and the 2 into that. So we have 4x plus 3x plus 6 plus 2x plus 8 is 167. Adding all of the x's together, we have 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9x, plus 14 is 167. Now we subtract 14 from each side. We have 9x is equal to 153. Now we divide 9 on both sides, which gives us a result of x equals 17. This is the first of 3 consecutive odd integers. Therefore, the next one, x plus 2, would be 19, and x plus 4 would be 21. We've just carried out the problem that is solved for x, which is the third step in the process. The fourth step is to check your answer. So we know that we have consecutive odd integers. We would just have to check that the information in the original problem, which is that the sum of 4 times the first plus 3 times the second plus 2 times the third adds up to 167, and it does, and therefore it checks. So the fifth step in the process is to state the answer. So what we would say is the 3 integers are 17, 19, and 21.